So for this tutorial, you will need thread, which I have here, and you will also need a bobbin, which I have here. And then the first step will be to put the thread that you have onto the thread holder or spoolie holder, or however you say it. And we're going to follow the steps of our machine. So for this machine, it's saying that I put the thread through here first. So I'm just going to loop this in. And that's the first step. And then what I'm going to do is wrap it round. So it's going to go round and that way. So that's all good. And then the third thing we're going to do is now we want to grab our bobbin. This is such a simple tutorial. And we're going to push this thread through the very top of the bobbin. So as you can see in the bobbin, there's 2 holes at the top and then there's 2 holes at the bottom. So I've pushed my thread through one of the holes at the top, and then I'm going to pull that across and pop it onto the bobbin winder and then flick it to the right until I hear a click, and that is going to activate, if we can say that, the bobbin mode. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold that tiny piece of thread and then slowly push the foot pedal with my foot, and then it's going to begin winding a tiny bit there. After a couple of seconds, you can let go of that tiny thread at the top and it should disappear automatically. If not, you can just snip it with your scissors and then keep pressing that foot pedal, and then it will automatically slow down once the bobbin begins to get fuller. So that will give you an indication of when it is full or when you can stop pressing that foot pedal, and then you can just snip the thread with your scissors. So I'm going to flip this back to the left hand side. And then I'm going to pull this off, and I can use this to thread my sewing machine as normal. To thread the bobbin in the actual sewing machine, I'm going to go down to the bottom now. I'm going to place my bobbin in the bobbin holder. As you can see, the thread is going this way anti-clockwise, and I'm just going to place it in there. And then I'm going to use this thread, and I'm going to make sure that I wrap it around here and round. And then if I tug it a tiny bit, it will cut off. And then I'm going to grab the plate or the cover for my bobbin holder, and I'm just going to slot that in. And then your bobbin is ready to go, and you can thread the rest of your sewing machine as normal. So yeah, hopefully this helps the next time you want to thread your bobbin, and make sure you subscribe for more sewing tips. See you guys.